Have you ever pondered what separates the financially successful from the rest? It's a question that has intrigued many, and the answer is not as elusive as one might think. The key to financial success, to amass wealth and attain financial freedom, lies not in the amount of money one initially has, but rather in understanding and applying certain fundamental laws. These are the 8 laws of money, a set of principles that guide the financially successful in their journey towards wealth accumulation. These laws are not about quick fixes or get-rich-quick schemes. They are about fostering a mindset, a way of thinking and behaving that naturally leads to financial growth and prosperity. The first law, the law of control, emphasizes the importance of being in charge of your financial destiny. The second law, the law of planning, underscores the necessity of having a clear and precise financial plan. The third law, the law of saving, stresses the significance of saving a part of your income, no matter how small. The fourth law, the law of earning, highlights the need to maximize your earning potential. The fifth law, the law of investing, teaches the art of making your money work for you. The sixth law, the law of giving, reveals the power of generosity and its role in wealth creation. The seventh law, the law of consistency, underlines the importance of sticking to your financial plan, while the eighth and final law, the law of patience, advocates for the virtue of patience in the journey towards financial freedom. These laws are not just theoretical concepts. They are practical and applicable principles that have been proven to work time and again. They have been employed by the financially successful, from the self-made millionaires to the billionaires, to amass their wealth and achieve their financial goals. Achieving financial success is not a matter of luck or chance. It is a result of understanding these laws and applying them in your day-to-day life. It is about making conscious and informed decisions that propel you towards financial freedom. So, are you ready to embark on this journey towards financial success? Today we delve into these 8 laws, unraveling the secrets to financial freedom. Let's start with the first law, the law of control. This law emphasizes the importance of taking charge of your financial decisions. By being in control, you dictate where your money goes, how it grows, and how it's spent. Think of it as being the captain of your own ship. If you let the wind and waves dictate your course, you'll end up adrift. A simple example could be the choice between buying a glossy new car or investing in your own business. The flashy car might give you immediate satisfaction, but investing in your business could lead to long-term wealth. Another example is budgeting. By controlling your spending and knowing where every penny goes, you avoid unnecessary expenses and secure your financial future. The law of control is about making conscious choices today for a prosperous tomorrow. Embrace it, and you become the master of your financial fate. Remember, your financial destiny lies in your hands. Moving on to the second law, the law of planning. Think of this law as your GPS to financial success. It's all about setting clear, achievable financial goals, and then crafting a detailed plan to reach them. Let's take a simple example. Say you want to start your own business. Without a well-thought-out business plan, you're essentially driving blind. You wouldn't know what steps to take, how much capital you need, or even who your target market is. But with a solid plan, you have a clear path to follow. The same principle applies to personal finance. Whether you're saving for a house, planning for retirement, or just trying to pay off debt, a detailed financial plan can be your guiding light. It helps you visualize your goals, track your progress, and stay focused on the end game. Remember, financial success doesn't typically happen by chance. It's the result of careful planning and execution. A well-executed plan is a roadmap to riches. Now, let's explore the third law, the law of saving. This law is as timeless as it is fundamental. It's about setting aside a portion of your earnings, not just for a rainy day, but as a stepping stone to wealth. Think of it this way. If you're an entrepreneur and you save even a small percentage of your profits over time, this becomes a substantial amount. This nest egg can then be invested in new ventures, used to expand your business, or even help weather financial storms. Let's take a simple example. Suppose you save 10% of your earnings every month. In a year, you've saved more than a month's earnings. In 10 years, you've saved more than a year's earnings. Just imagine the possibilities that this accumulated wealth opens up for you. Remember, the key to saving is consistency. It's not about how much you save, but how regularly you do it. Saving isn't about restricting your money, it's about growing it. On to the fourth law, the law of earning. This law is a simple yet profound truth. Your income is directly related to your skills, knowledge, and the value you bring to the market. Remember, money is a measure of value. The more value you offer, the more you'll earn. Consider two craftsmen. One makes standard run-of-the-mill chairs, while the other crafts exquisite hand-carved masterpieces. It's evident who will earn more, right? The second craftsman's higher earnings stem from the unique value he provides. His skill and artistry command a premium price. Similarly, think of an entrepreneur who identifies a gap in the market and fills it with a unique product or service. Their innovative thinking and problem-solving abilities, their value, lead to higher earnings. Maximizing your earning potential is about equipping yourself with skills, honing your talents, and continually learning to increase your value. Remember, your earning potential is limitless if you're willing to put in the effort. To earn more, learn more. Let's dive into the fifth law, the law of investing. This law is all about putting your money to work for you. Instead of letting your hard-earned dollars sit idle in a bank account, investing allows your money to grow and multiply. Just like a farmer who plants seeds in the spring to harvest crops in the fall, an investor sows money into investments to reap financial rewards in the future. Think of a business entrepreneur who invests in a promising startup. With smart decisions and a bit of luck, that initial investment can turn into a substantial return. Or consider an individual who regularly invests a portion of their income into a diverse portfolio of stocks, bonds, and real estate. Over time, these investments can grow exponentially, creating a snowball effect of wealth accumulation. Remember this, investing isn't about getting rich quick. It's about steady, long-term growth. Investing is the key to multiplying your wealth. Coming to the sixth law, the law of giving. Some might find this counterintuitive. After all, how can giving away your hard-earned money lead to financial prosperity? But it's not just about money. It's about creating a continuous flow of value. When you give, you're not only helping others, but you're also opening up channels for receiving. Let's consider a few examples. Entrepreneurs, for instance, often give their time and knowledge freely to mentor others. In return, they gain new insights, connections, and opportunities. Another example is philanthropy. Many wealthy individuals and corporations donate substantial amounts to causes they believe in. Not only does this help create a positive impact, but it also enhances their reputation, encouraging more business and partnerships. Remember, giving is not a one-way street. It's a circle. It's a law of the universe. What goes around, comes around. The more you give, the more you receive. Now let's understand the seventh law, the law of consistency. The law of consistency is all about regularity in financial habits. It's not about making a huge investment once or saving a large sum of money suddenly. Rather, it's about establishing a pattern of consistent, small steps towards your financial goals. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but with consistent motion, it becomes a massive force. Take the example of saving money. If you start saving a small amount regularly, over time it adds up to a significant sum. It's the same with investing. Consistent investment, even if small, can lead to substantial growth over time thanks to compound interest. The same principle applies to paying off debts, learning about finances, or building a business. It's not about the big moves, but rather the small, consistent steps that lead you towards your financial goals. Consistency is the true foundation of wealth. Finally, the eighth law, the law of patience. This law underlines the importance of time in the process of wealth creation. It's about understanding that wealth accumulation is not an overnight phenomenon. It's a journey that involves persistence, discipline, and above all, patience. Imagine a seed planted in fertile soil. It doesn't sprout instantly. It requires time, care, and patience to grow into a robust tree, bearing fruits that are worth the wait. Similarly, your investments and financial decisions need time to mature and yield substantial returns. Take the case of Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of all time. He didn't become a billionaire overnight. His success is a product of smart decisions, consistent efforts, and a great deal of patience. So, remember to practice patience in your financial journey. Allow your efforts and investments the time they need to flourish. Patience is not just a virtue, it's a wealth builder. So, we've dissected the 8 laws of money, but how do they tie together? Well, let's take a moment to reflect. The first law, the law of control, emphasizes the importance of taking charge of your financial destiny. You are the captain of your financial ship, and only you can determine its course. Next up, we have the law of planning. It's all about setting clear, achievable financial goals and mapping out a strategic plan to reach them. It's like setting the coordinates for your financial journey. Then there's the law of saving. This law underscores the significance of putting aside a portion of your income for future use. It's the fuel for your financial ship, preparing you for the unexpected and helping you amass wealth over time. The law of earning follows closely, reminding us that income is the engine of our financial ship. It encourages us to seek out opportunities to increase our earning potential. The law of investing, the fifth law, is about using your saved money to generate more wealth. It's like adding a turbo booster to your financial ship, accelerating your journey towards financial freedom. The law of giving, our sixth law, teaches us the power of generosity. It's about giving back to the community and reiterating that wealth is not just about accumulation, but also about circulation. The law of consistency, the penultimate law, underscores the importance of being consistent in applying these laws. It's the compass that keeps your financial ship on course, ensuring that you're always moving towards your financial goals. And finally, the law of patience. It's a gentle reminder that wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about trusting the process and understanding that financial success takes time. These laws, when implemented collectively, provide a comprehensive guide to achieving financial success. They are not just standalone laws, but interconnected principles that, when applied together, can fast-track your journey to financial freedom. Remember, the journey to financial freedom begins with understanding and applying these 8 laws. Start today and watch your wealth grow.